Hey, what's going on, world? Sean Taylor's back at it, live and living color once again. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Sean Taylor 1987 at SeanTaylor1987. Today I feel compelled to do a song that I love very much by the legend Mr. Robert Nesta Marley. Yes, and the song that I'm going to do today is entitled Three Little Birds. So, here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Yeah, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, no, 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 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds hitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry, no, 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 yeah, yeah, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, no, no, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Yeah.